Hello. All right, so today we are going to talk about the value of digits. So let's say that I have the number 5,486 and 54 hundredths. If I were to put this on a place value chart, all right, so I've got my thousandths place. Oops, let me move this over. All right, my thousandths place, my hundredths place, my tenths, my decimal point, my ones, my tens, my hundreds, and my thousands. So this would be 5,486 and 54 hundredths. So when you're trying to think about, let's say I'm looking for the value of this 5 here, that's underlined. Go ahead and place that number in a place value chart like I've done here. And what you're going to do is you're just going to look at that 5 and you're going to see where it's at. And in this case, let me make myself some room over here. In this case, this 5 is in the tenths place. So if you notice, here is my decimal point, and the 5 is only one digit over, one space over. So here I've got my the 5 there. I've got my decimal point, and then the 5 is right next to it. So that's 5 tenths, or I could write it 5 tenths. Or if I wanted to put it as a fraction, I could say 5 tenths. Okay. All right, let's get a new number. Let's say I have 365 and 127 thousandths. And I want to know the digit that is here. So again, I'm going to put this number in my place value chart. Now I notice that where my decimal point is, I'm 1, 2, 3 spots over. So 1, 2, 3 spots over is the 7. So when I go to write this as a decimal, I could put my decimal point, and then I'm going to make my I'm going to make my 7 go 3 spots over. So 1, 2, 3. Then if I wanted to write it in word form, I could say, I noticed that it's in the thousandths place, so I could say 7 thousandths. And if I wanted to write it as a fraction, I could say 7 thousandths. And so if you use this place value chart, you can easily see what column that number is in, and then go from there to write out the value of that digit.